Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your YouTube account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open YouTube. Once you open YouTube, you simply need to click on your channel icon on the top right, and then you need to click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in YouTube Studio, you simply need to click on settings. Once you are in setting, you simply need to click on channel, and then you need to click on feature eligibility, and here you can see the option of default features. You can see that all features are enabled, and here you can see that verify phone number. So the process is that you simply need to click here and verify your phone number. Once you verify, you have the ability to upload longer videos, add custom thumbnails, live stream, or you can appeal content ID claims. So this is a process by which you can verify your YouTube account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.